Where are we going?
Whatever you're making, I don't know. With these
We're going
videos.
to 7-Eleven. Let's go.
Alright guys, we'll be back. Lauren, hold the fort down.
Wow, I thought you lived here. You don't even know where you're going?
I don't go to 7-Eleven. I mean, I always go to 7-Eleven. So, I don't know if we're allowed. Can we come back? Okay. Oh, there it is. That was...
There we go. Show me. Oh, that doesn't look good.
Did you see that multitasking?
Okay, wait, look, we got piña colada.
Yes.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with
We're
that?
gonna spike this. Hopefully not get kicked out. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And
Why?
the
What
orange is
happened?
not half empty.
What happened over there?
Nothing. Entrepreneurship is multitasking.
Okay, yep. You're so excited. Look
Oh my
at
God, I
you.
can't wait.
Okay. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we gotta
Now
taste all of them. Ooh, what's it taste like?
This tastes really good.
Okay,
Piñaq
next
rosé
one.
and what is this? Coca-Cola? No.
Cherry.
Chili. Oh. Wow. Does this qualify for liquid on my liquid diet?
Yeah, it does.
Definitely not. Okay.
That's probably the best. That's your
My favorite.